Today we are bringing you what I am hoping is a hidden gem. I get more scenes that way when we come out of here. But we're in Rising Sun, Indiana, Ohio County, and we're at a place, it's a park, and I don't know what to think of it yet. We're gonna hike up a hill and see what we can see. So we're gonna probably get some beauty shots. This place was a little tricky to find, and I'll tell you more about it next time I do a vlog entry. Yeah, it's snowing a little bit, and it's cold. Well, one good thing about here is there are deers all over the place. Stormy wants to go play. But holy, we made a big mistake. We'll show you that on the way out. We just climbed a monstrous hill. We didn't have to. All right, I say we walk around that and see where that goes. Okay. And get some more beauty. I like it up here, but I'll give my closing thoughts into the video. So far, I'm liking it. And there are definitely deer here, all over the place. Well, right off the bat, Stormy's being extremely brand new. There's a trail that way. We won't take that one today. But we are definitely going to come back up here when it gets a little warmer out and hit all of it. But right now, we're just trying to get a... all right, Stormy, what are you doing? Every 5 seconds, you got to leave a little spot of pee, don't you? Oh, my Lord. You gotta let all the other animals know you've been here. I don't blame you. I would too. It's very muddy because we just melted down from a lot of yuck, and that doesn't matter. Honestly, that really doesn't matter because as long as they know, well, there's a little bit of snow I'm walking on now, but it don't really matter. We got hiking boots on. That's what they're here for. But you know what? It's beautiful. Oh my God. Let's get some more beauty, and we will try to do some justices today, but this is definitely going to be forgotten, for sure. I'm kind of getting blown away, Angie. Okay, let's get some beauty. Okay, we got stopped on this trail by a huge sheet of ice. We could possibly have went around it, but we will do this justice come spring. Right now we're just looking around and just filling it out, you know? We'll come back here when it gets a little warmer and a whole bunch drier. Not so yucky. And we'll hit it hard. But is this a hidden gem? Is this a hidden gem? I'll let you know what I think at the end of the video. Let's get some more stuff. I don't know if it's going to be beauty or not, but we're going to get something. Okay, I don't know what to do right now, guys. I'll show you in just a second. Because if we go any further, we could get ourselves in a little bit of trouble. We already came down this hill. And right through here is all ice. So we're walking on the side, and this is all mud. And this goes down even further. I don't know if it goes back up that way, which I'm thinking it do. I don't know. I don't know. I said continue on. What do you think?
Yeah, continue on.
Alright guys, I ain't gonna be able to do any video recording till I get down to the bottom. Okay, I made it down to the bottom. They got a shelter and a picnic table down here. Not exactly sure if that's a trail that takes us out of here or not, but it is quite beautiful down here. Oh, we're definitely gonna come back here spring and do this justice. Right now it's icy, very slippery and muddy, and it can be very dangerous when you hit the hills.
What's that say?
So I'm not exactly sure what we're doing from here, but we'll figure something out.
Yeah.
It's nice though. Oh my God, you got like a little pond over there. No, honey, let's go get this. If anything, let's get that right over there.
It says warning.
Oh guys, I gotta show you something. If it looks as good, huh?
You're gonna be sad.
Why?
I'll let you see when you get there.
Okay, she says I'm gonna be sad, but oh my God, I see it's so beautiful of a pond. No fishing! Well, this is quite unique, but no fishing. No boating. I don't see how they get a boat in there anyway. No ice skating. It's a little teeny pond, but it's so cute. Look at it. That's okay. I didn't want to fish this anyway. Oh, that's a lie. I probably would have. All right, we're going to try to make our way out of here, and it may be quite the challenge. We should have never really came down into the valley that deep because it's muddy and it's going to be a challenge to get up. I may not be able to videotape much, so I'm going to need both hands. Honestly, I'm seeing out yonder there, that might take us to ground level to where the car is, you think?
Yes.
Oh my God, Compass, you knew that, didn't you?
Yes.
Damn, guys, she's smarticle. Okay, I just came down the other side, now I about bought it. But look at it, you can tell how nasty this stuff is on Angie's shoes. But I just about bought it and bit the dust right there. Well, bit the mud hole anyway. There's another trail goes down yonder there, but we will hit it come spring. Let me swing around and see if I can let you guys see it. But yeah, we're definitely going to be coming back here spring. Well, let me show you what my wife knew the whole time, and somehow I walked down that monster's hill and didn't even notice this. That is the way out of here, by the way. As you can see, it's not that bad. Okay, we're going to go right over here, and I want to get some pictures on the cell phone for thumbnails. All right, doing a thumbnail shot, so I didn't want to take off my gloves, so I use this glove right here, or this hand with the hole in the thumb, to try to adjust my camera angles and stuff. It didn't work. I had to take off the gloves anyway. Oh yeah, that was a little trying. But yeah, we will revisit this place come spring, and we will do it justice. And right now, I'm going to tell you the name of it, but I got to ask, actually here, what's the name of this place, sweetheart?
Denver-Siekman.
Denver-Siekman.
Yes.
It's on the outskirts of Rising Sun, Indiana, Ohio County. It is definitely, would you say it's a hidden gem? I would.
Yes.
It's an actual God hidden gem, folks. Didn't know this place existed, and I didn't realize how awesome it is until we got here. Oh my Lord, it is definitely a hidden gem, y'all. That's what engine I like to do. Now today we was going to do a major trail, but we decided against a major trail because there's still ice out there and it is really, really muddy. Plus the trail we wanted to take was out Brome's Woods, and they closed down the trail when they're nasty. Which I don't blame them, because you know, you hike on a nasty trail, you're going to tear it up. Go ahead, step right in it like I did. Come on. You can do it. You ain't a true hiker till you step right in that. Oh, come on, I slammed right in that. You can tell on my boots, honey. I love it. Angie's laughing her butt off at me because I keep almost falling. I'm sliding and falling all the time, but yet I haven't fell yet. I better shut up because I might fall before we get back to the car. Oh. Sign right here says no motorized vehicles. Yeah, oh. I don't think, I guess it's for ATVs too. All right, guys, when we get down here by the car, I'm going to show you the hill we climbed. And I'm going to tell you something. Don't make the same mistake we made, but real quick, here's some of my beauty right here. I don't know what the name of that creek is. I have no clue.
There's ducks.
That's not yeah, that's a creek. That's definitely a creek.
No, there's ducks.
Oh, there's ducks. I wonder if we'll be allowed fishing right here from this point.
I don't
know.
There's a sign over there.
Yeah. There's a sign over there. Let's go. Want to go read the sign to head back to the car?
Sure.
All right, let's go to the sign. The only bad thing about here is you're going to have to get through all the brushry. But come spring and summer, that brush is going to be thick. But we're going to go down here to the sign and see what it says. And go from there. This may be another place to fish. And it wouldn't be that hard to get over here because our car is right over yonder. Well, you're definitely allowed to fish, and behind the sign, look what I seen. It's right here was staring at us, this little frog thing right there. Stormy, you can't have it. But this is what I'm saying, guys. You can fish this, but you have to find a spot. Let me go back this way. You have to find a spot, because come spring and summer, this is all going to be grown up. And it's going to be really difficult to find a spot to fish. Well, right up there, right up yonder, there's our car. And when we get up there, I'm going to do another vlog entry before we close it out. And I'm going to give you guys one tip. We got here. This is the hill we climbed right here. May not look much on video, but it's quite steep. Anytime you're in a car for any length, for about a good half an hour to an hour or more, before you even attempt to climb any hill, stretch out first. I know this, but I didn't do it. But if I pay close attention, we didn't have to climb the hill at all, because there's actually a road that takes it up to the tippy top. Yeah, there's actually a freaking road. So, what the hell? We need the exercise anyway. You can kind of see how steep it is from this angle. I mean, I climbed steeper hills, but in the mud, yeah, that was kind of challenging. And it kind of kicked our butt a little bit because we didn't stretch out and warm up before we hit it. But we could have avoided that. All right, guys, this has been my hidden gem. I hope you liked it. I really do. I really do. Leave me comments down below. And we will definitely come back here when it gets warmer and hit every single trail they got here. That's right. Maybe spend a good whole day here. But until next time, come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure. That's right. We'll catch you later, guys. I'm out of here.